Thanks. I had fun.
Selfie or a receipt.
Good afternoon, Myntra.com with the trends on Indigo and Print Clash. On dais today we have Mr. Gautam Koshenraju, Chief Creative Officer for Myntra.com, the very beautiful Kalki Porcelain, and the one person who created the show so magically is Anu Patel. So, any questions from the media? Any questions?
Did you all show? I don't think they were there.
आपसे मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि आपने जो
नहीं सुनाई सकती।
सुनाई पड़ा तो एक जो खास बात है मैंने देखी कि मतलब बहुत ही फंकी तरीके की आप सबसे ज़्यादा आपको क्या पसंद आया?
मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा सी प्रेस के साथ पसंद आया क्योंकि मुझे रिवेंज मिला कि एक बार आपका फोटो ले सकती हूँ तो आपको मतलब महसूस हो सकता है कि कैसे हो हाउ आई फील व्हेन यू पुटिंग कैमरास इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी तो मज़ा आया।
आपसे मेरा प्रश्न ये है जो आपने यंगस्टर को ध्यान में रख दिया है तो खास बात क्या मतलब ध्यान में आज के यंगस्टर जो होते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं किसी भी फैशन से और से तो आप क्या करवाएं हर बार नया कुछ उनके लिए कैसे सोचते हैं?
वो तो मेरा जॉब है और मुझे बहुत आई रियली एंजॉय डूइंग दैट। तो ये जो फैशन वर्ल्ड है वो इट इज़ सपोज टू बी इट बी वेरी द सेम एवरी टाइम और ये शो जो था इट एग्जाम्पलीफाइड दैट परफेक्टली एंड आई थिंक कल्कि वाज द परफेक्ट शो स्टॉपर फॉर दिस शो। जो हमारा ट्रेंड था प्रिंट क्लैश सब अलग अलग सब ऐसा लगता है कि कोई साथ में नहीं जाएगा लेकिन साथ में पहनते हैं तो एकदम अच्छा लगता है। तो वो quirkiness जो है वो कल्कि का आई थिंक दैट शी रियली embodies that and that's why I wanted her to be my showstopper.
Gautam, just a question. How did you come up with the trends on Indigo and Print Clash, and how did you work to kind of, pick the garments, etc. for the show?
Most of the trends that we talk about, so there are two types of actually looking at this. One is a forecast angle, which is where the designers of whichever brands we host, including our brands on Myntra, look forward in the future. They see the world changing and they bring that changing world, personify it, translate that into clothes and lifestyle and bring it on to our portal to sell. The second is when it's actually on our portal, we need to see where there could be like a million other trends there, right? But what's selling on Myntra is a representation of what is selling in India completely true in whichever part of the country. Now, see how populated a trend is, right? And they say, okay, listen, this we really need to bring alive. We need to take it back to the consumer. Because every single brand that we host is working towards that one goal of taking it to the consumer, right? So, and if we are the aggregator of that entire lot, I think it's our due more than anything else as a retailer to actually take it back to the consumer, right? So that's how we work on that. Now, how did we work with Amy? I mean, there is no reason to even ask why Amy. I mean, to be honest, but when she was the default choice for this, because her own, I think, for whatever little I personally know of Amy, but whatever I've read is Amy was the right person for this to bring alive the whole quirkiness of Indigo mixed with Print Clash, which could be you could go wrong horribly with it, right? So you need brain, so the brain was hers, and you needed a face that's Kalki's, really, to add that whole spunk to the event, yeah.
And I just want to add one thing that English. That this entire act that Kalki done was not choreographed, it's her own. She's choreographed her own act and the way she entered was absolutely amazing.
It was.
Yeah.
Kalki, if you had to give 5 style tips in terms of wearing prints, what would they be?
5 style tips. Okay. In terms of wearing prints, if you absolutely must use animal prints, please don't use only animal prints. You look like you've escaped from the zoo. That's tip number 1. Style tip number 2, if you're going to have something very simple like dress, for instance, very sedate, then always clash it with something bright and neon-y. Yes. Style number 3, again, I think if you wear a lot of prints, you keep the makeup simple. So again, I've done very little on the face except for the no eye makeup, no blush, nothing, just lips. So yeah, otherwise there's just too much happening and you look like you've escaped from I don't know where.
Different kind of zoo.
Yeah, different kind of zoo. God, 5 tips, huh? I think you need to help me with this now. Tip number 4, mix.
With floral.
Huh?
Geometric floral.
Geometric and floral. Yes, yes, that. Or polka dot and stripes. I love doing that. So yeah.
All right. Any more questions?
Yeah, hi Kalki.
Hi.
I am Seva and we raising that. So our listeners cannot see you.
I'm so sorry.
Can you just tell us a little more about what you're wearing?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm wearing these shoes, which are what Steven, and they're like floral print, bright sunny colors. Then I have a completely different floral print dress, which is more sort of earthy colors. And then I have a bright neon pink belt, which I've wrapped hand, and along with some accessories, including a mustache on my hand. This is going to sound great on radio. And then, as I said, no makeup except for white coral lipstick, coral nail polish, and a clashing bag. And of course, the final piece, which is this big neon geometrical scarf we've used in a bow. So I look like Minnie Mouse house.
That was a good time.
Thank you. Can we have a quick photo?
Sure.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good.
Smiling.